Hello everyone, I'm Makudo, and today we're diving into a topic that's heating up conversations around the globe. Today, let's talk about heat pumps. These innovative devices are changing the way we think about heating our homes. They are revolutionizing home heating by providing a more efficient and environmentally friendly option. Heat pumps offer a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional oil and gas systems, which have been the norm for far too long. For decades, we've relied on burning fossil fuels to heat our homes, a method that is both outdated and harmful. This reliance on fossil fuels has come at a steep price, both financially and environmentally. The environmental impact is undeniable, contributing significantly to our carbon footprint and climate change. Heat pumps present a powerful solution to these problems, offering a cleaner, greener way to keep our homes warm. They tap into a free and abundant energy source, the Earth itself, utilizing geothermal energy to provide consistent heating. Join me as we explore the science behind heat pumps, their numerous benefits, and the real-world impact they can have on our daily lives. Let's discover why heat pumps are not just a trend, but the future of home heating, promising a more sustainable and efficient way to stay warm. Burning oil and gas releases harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and contribute to climate change. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are major culprits. They disrupt the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. The consequences are far-reaching. We see rising global temperatures, more frequent extreme weather events, and melting ice caps. It's clear that we need to transition away from fossil fuels. Heat pumps offer a viable and sustainable path forward. Heat pumps operate on a simple yet ingenious principle. They are designed to move heat rather than generate it, making them incredibly efficient. They transfer heat from one location to another, utilizing the natural heat present in the environment. Think of it like a refrigerator in reverse. While a refrigerator removes heat from its interior and expels it outside, a heat pump extracts heat from the outside and brings it inside. In the heating mode, a heat pump extracts heat from the outside air or ground, even when temperatures are low. This is possible because there is always some heat energy available, even in cold air. This heat is then amplified and circulated throughout your home, providing a consistent and comfortable temperature. A special refrigerant fluid plays a crucial role in this process. It acts as the medium for heat transfer. It absorbs and releases heat as it cycles through the system, undergoing phase changes from liquid to gas and back again. The process is highly efficient, even in cold climates. Modern heat pumps are designed to operate effectively in temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius. Heat pumps can provide significant energy savings compared to traditional heating methods. By moving heat rather than generating it, they can achieve efficiencies of 300% or more, making them a smart choice for both the environment and your wallet. Heat pumps are incredibly efficient. They can transfer 3 to 4 units of heat for every unit of electricity consumed. This translates into substantial cost savings on your energy bills. The exact amount will vary depending on factors like climate and insulation. Over time, these savings can offset the initial investment of installing a heat pump system. Furthermore, government incentives and rebates are often available. These can make heat pumps even more financially attractive. Heat pumps offer significant environmental benefits. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can mitigate climate change. They produce far fewer greenhouse gas emissions than traditional heating systems. This helps to protect our planet for future generations. Moreover, heat pumps can be powered by renewable energy sources. Solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric dams can all generate clean electricity. By embracing heat pump technology, we can create a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. Heat pumps are already making a difference around the world. Millions of homes and businesses have adopted this technology. In countries like Sweden and Norway, heat pumps are the dominant form of home heating. Their governments have implemented policies to encourage their adoption. Studies have shown that heat pumps can significantly reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. The evidence is clear. Heat pumps are a proven and effective solution for our heating needs. The future of home heating is here, and it's more exciting than ever before. With advancements in technology, we are now able to heat our homes in ways that are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. Heat pumps offer a compelling combination of efficiency, cost savings, and environmental responsibility. These systems work by transferring heat rather than generating it, making them significantly more efficient than traditional heating methods. By making the switch to heat pumps, we can drastically reduce our carbon footprint. Traditional heating systems, such as oil and gas, release a significant amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. In contrast, heat pumps use renewable energy sources, which means fewer emissions and a healthier planet. It's time to embrace this transformative technology. Imagine a world where our homes are warm and cozy, yet we are not contributing to the degradation of our environment. This is not just a dream, it's a reality that we can achieve together. Let's work together to build a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable world. By choosing eco-friendly heating solutions, we are taking a significant step towards a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. If you found this informative, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more insights into the wonders of science and technology. Your engagement helps us spread the message of sustainability and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue to make strides towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced world.